To share the content of your apps with others, you can publish your apps to streams. You can also move published apps from one stream to another. When you publish an app to a stream, users who have access to that stream can view and interact with the sheets and stories of your app. Note that if section access restrictions are applied to an attached file, those settings are not applied for copied apps, and users will be able to see the data from those attached files. You can publish an app directly from the Hub. To publish an app, right-click on the app and select Move. Then select the stream to which you want to publish the app. By default, the field displays the same name of the app you selected from the Hub. You can enter a new name for the published app. Click Move. The app is now published to the stream and available to users who can access the stream. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.